వెల్కమ్ టు ఆన్లైన్ డెవప్స్ కోర్స్ అండి. సో నా ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది తెలుగులో ఉంటుందండి అండ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ కన్నడ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాట్ యూ ప్రిఫర్డ్ విల్ explain as per your requirement purpose. So here in my website I have mentioned my experiences, what and all I worked in. So I mentioned in this website first page. So after that I have mentioned what and all program is there. Masterclass F DevOps. See everything I mentioned here. Please try to fill the form and here. So it will ask you a few details about you. Okay. Your preferred timings also I mentioned. Just click it. Okay. Please try to fill the form. And coming to my training. So we can connect with using Google Meet and or else Zoom or whatever and you can check my profile using this link and this is my LinkedIn profile. You can see it, and we have Telegram group also. If you click on this link, it will take you to the Telegram group. See, so there is the name there. Okay, and we have WhatsApp group also here. Didn't mention. Okay, I will give you the WhatsApp group link also later. So coming to our agenda. So this is a 1 month course only, or else 1.5 month. It will depends on you how you practice, learn and all. Okay. So in week 1, just we will discuss what DevOps is. So day 1, 2 days we'll give introduction to DevOps, like basics, what we need to learn. So first, before going to DevOps, we need to know about Linux basics and okay, like creating directories, files, everything like this. Like this, few commands we need to know. These basic commands and after that we have some git commands also. So we'll discuss later. So after that, see coming to day 3, day 4, basic commands. What and all here I mentioned, same as per this I'll explain and so till day 1, day 2, week 1, week 4 till 28th day. This is the final project. Will provide like when comes to cloud, we'll discuss on AWS and particularly on AWS and GCP. See, for CI/CD day 16, we'll start AWS from week 4 and first what and all we have AWS credentials. I'll show you now. See, this is the just demo class laga anukondi. Okay, so I'll show you what and all services is there in AWS. Okay, this is just for demo purpose and code is there. So it will open now. See, this is the console of AWS and see, we have more services here. See, this and all AWS services. Okay. We have EC2, Cloud Shell, Lightsail, IAM identification, IAM, everything we have. EC2 means Elastic Cloud Computing, compute instances. Instances means servers and virtual servers. See, instances previously what we have, it will show here. See, here this is already running with some application. So see, I'll explain about each and everything here. See here, so now I will explain in future and as per this days and weeks. Okay, and in GCP also I will explain only. You check once ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేశాను అది జస్ట్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. AWS అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఫైనల్ పార్ట్ అండి, AWS అండ్ GCP. దాని తర్వాత అంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ డాకర్ కూడా చెప్తానండి. డాకర్ యూజింగ్ సి డాకర్ ఫండమెంటల్స్ ఆల్సో ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే, సో ఒక ప్రాసెస్లో చేద్దామండి, ఎందుకంటే ఫర్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ పర్పస్. సో దట్స్ వై ఐ మెన్షన్డ్ హియర్ డే వైజ్. ఓకే, సో 1 month అంటే 1 monthలో కుదరదు, 1.5 2 months పడుతుంది. సో డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ హౌ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ డైలీ. ఓకే, so these are the timings I mentioned. Check here again. After that we have some Google form is here, just try to fill this form or else click here. See here WhatsApp group is there, or else I'll give WhatsApp group link also. Okay, this training will be, this is only for basics and basic. If you are fresher or you are from non-IT who are interested to learn DevOps, only for who don't know about DevOps till now, but who are interested to learn DevOps, for those people only. Please join and just check and join. Okay, if you click here it will take you to the Google Meet link and if anyone interested. Okay, ఇంకా ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది తెలుగు ఉంటుంది, ఇంగ్లీష్లో కూడా చెప్తాను ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ while explaining. Kannada also if required, I can explain in Kannada also, no issue in that. ఇంకా ఏమైనా? So that's it అండి. Check this one, check this link. I'll provide this website link in the video description and you can check it out and join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group here. Okay, see here we will use here like I'll show you an example what and all we will discuss. Okay, so that you people can understand. Okay, where is that project? Yeah, here only is there. If you see here, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మనము టూల్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసేటి వచ్చి గిట్ యూస్ చేస్తామండి. గిట్హబ్ అనే వర్షన్ కంట్రోల్ టూల్ అండి. గిట్హబ్ అనేది డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ వర్షన్ కంట్రోల్ టూల్. Code management purpose we'll use. So what is DevOps? This and all we'll discuss in further classes and what is microservices, what is monolithic, everything. This is example. See, if you learn one technology here, see, Git is there, GitLab is there, GitHub is there, see, Jenkins is there. We'll discuss Jenkins here and for CI/CD purpose, and GCP is there. We'll discuss GCP. When comes to cloud, we'll discuss AWS and GCP. Okay, so one day I'll explain you how to do, and second day I'll make you to do in your side also. So like that, one day from my side, one day from your side. Okay, so that it will be very clear. So like that. So here many tools are there. If you learn AWS, it will easy to do in GCP also, just terminology is different, little bit different in GCP. If you learn AWS only, it will be fine also. Or else if you want to learn Azure also, means it is same as AWS only. Google Cloud Computing is just a little bit different and compared to Azure. AWS and Azure is similar, mostly similar, and coming to what else here. There are many tools. Don't confuse, don't be afraid. See, after that we'll discuss this and all. Nexus, Artifactory, what is this, SDLC, this one, this is Jenkins pipeline. Okay, this and all we'll discuss in further classes, and we'll discuss Docker also. See, this is the real-time process. Here I mentioned what and all tools we'll discuss in future. So we'll explain Linux basics, and for DevOps purpose we need to know Linux and just basic commands. Here I'll show you. See here, this is the basic commands. Here I'll share this link also in the video description. Just check it out. You'll come to know and try it with from your side. You'll get an idea. Okay, cpwd present working directory, just small commands only we need to know. See, this is the commands, and see, for examples also I mentioned clearly here. See, rm minus ante removing the files or directories in your directories. Okay, vi next class I'll explain these commands and all. Okay, or else I'll explain in this video only. I'll get an idea on this Linux commands and all. Okay, few commands only I'll explain here. Okay, see, small commands, cp minus copy, or see, this is the demo class only. Day 1 and day 2 వచ్చేసి నేను క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానండి. See cp minus a copy, how to copy the files, what is this move the file names, what is this move command, copy command. See here git commands also we'll discuss in second day 2 classes only. See git branch also is there, git checkout, what is git merge, git log, what is this checkout, git reset. Every command we'll discuss in day 2 of the class. Okay, I'll explain what on all tools we'll discuss in DevOps class. I'll show you now. See, I mentioned here now. Check it out here. First we'll discuss Linux and the small basic commands. After that git version control also tool, github also. GitHub is like this one. This is the GitHub. Okay, this is the GitHub. We need to create a GitHub account and we need to install git bash. For installation, if you type scm source code management tool, okay, bash. Okay, here see, if you have Mac, click here, Windows, Linux there. See, if you click here Windows, it will download here. Okay, if you click, it will download. So we need git bash and github for doing this and all. Okay, so after git we'll discuss maven, what is maven, how to use maven commands, what is maven lifecycle, everything. And when it comes to CI/CD, this is for automation purpose. Jenkins is a tool to automate the script, okay, by using CI/CD pipelines. Okay, and after that Jenkins SonarQube will use. This is useful for code quality checking purpose. Okay, after that Nexus, this is end user like uh, artifactory storage purpose only. Once code quality is good means it will go to Nexus. Okay, like our understanding purposes, Nexus is applications hotels versions వర్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదండి. ఇప్పుడు see, if you search sonar type Nexus, it will show like this. This is just for saving the files and the versions, file 1, file version 1, version 2, it will show. Okay, see this one. See here, see like this jar file. It will show like this version 1, version 2, version 3, like this. This is jar file. Jar file means this is Java application, correct? After that Nexus we'll discuss Docker containers. I'll show you one example. Docker where is it? Docker. I'll show you how Docker commands. This is my GitHub profile and everything is saved here. See here, I am opening this one. See, we have Docker commands. See, Docker run. These are all commands and Docker pull Ubuntu latest. Docker push, how to push the files, how to push the Docker image, how to build the Docker image. This is to show the running containers or stopped containers. uh, docker stop is stopping the container, running container. We can stop by using this docker stop. Okay, docker start, docker restart, how to restart, how to execute the docker image, docker container, remove, how to remove docker container using this command docker rm. So how to remove docker image using this command, inspect network, how to change this port, commit, login, tag, push, everything is there. This and all will discuss in further classes only. So first two classes అనేది డెమో క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయండి. సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు జస్ట్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. నేను లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తాను నా లింక్డ్ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్ పోస్ట్ ద్వారా. సో ఆర్ఎల్స్ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్ ఇస్తానండి, మీరు జస్ట్ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. అండ్ ఫామ్ కూడా ఫిల్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ వెబ్సైట్లో. అండ్ వెబ్సైట్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ అనేది అండ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను, మీరు జస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి, ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా అండి. When it comes to cloud అండి, we will discuss AWS and GCP what I said previously. సో ఒక ప్రాసెస్ ప్రకారం వెళ్దామండి, ఓకేనా. లేట్ అయినా పర్లేదు, మనకి అర్థం అవ్వడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. సి దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్మాల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండి. ఓకే, ఫైనల్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది మనము ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది ఎలా అంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఒక వెబ్సైట్ డాకర్ యూస్ చేసి వెబ్సైట్ ఎలా రన్ చేస్తాం, దాన్ని ఫర్ సపోజ్ అమెజాన్ వెబ్సైట్ ఉంది కదండి, దానికి చాలామంది వస్తుంటారు పర్చేస్ చేయడానికి. జస్ట్ ట్రాఫిక్ అనేది ఎక్కువ అవుతుంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి మనం ఆటో స్కేలింగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయండి కొన్ని, అవన్నీ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఫర్దర్ క్లాసెస్లో. లైక్ సీ హియర్, it is the Amazon account, right? See, this is the SDLC process. SDLC means software development logic cycle. See how it goes, like that. Okay, here and all explanation is there. Everything we'll discuss in further classes. How one application or its website, how it will start, it will I mentioned here one by one. See, first analysis, design, after the development, testing, deployment, maintenance. So in between that, DevOps people will come here. See, DevOps are there. Here also DevOps. See, like this. In between development and operations, DevOps persons will come here to avoid the blaming between development team and operations team. Okay, to reduce the time actually. So once developer pushes the code into GitHub, so after that this DevOps work will start. Okay, like testing, CI/CD implementation, creating pipelines, everything. Okay, see, this is SonarQube code quality purpose. To check the quality of the code purpose, we'll use SonarQube. Okay, next is the artifact storage purpose. This is Jenkins pipeline here, commit, build, test. After that stage, this is deployment, final purpose, final stage. After that it will go to production team. Okay, see, this is the GitHub. It will trigger, Jenkins will trigger once, it will go to development. See, this is Jenkins SDLC and like what happens in Jenkins. So I mentioned here screenshot, you can check it out later. Okay, first commit, build, test, stage, after that deploy like that. Okay, docker also will discuss అండి. ఇంకేమన్నాయి అంతే అండి. ఇంకా so these and all commands అండి, we'll discuss later. Okay, so that's it అండి. ఇది డెమో క్లాస్ అనుకోండి, మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఈ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నేను వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ అండ్ ఈ వెబ్సైట్ అనేది లింక్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తానండి. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే గైస్, దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై ఎండ్. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు మనం వచ్చేసి లినక్స్ కమాండ్స్ యూస్ చేసి డైరెక్టరీస్ అండ్ ఫైల్స్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలో చూద్దాం. కమాండ్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇవ్వండి. సో one by one I'll explain this what is and all commands and all here. Okay, it's already there, but I'll ఒకసారి మాన్యువల్గా క్రియేట్ చేద్దామండి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి I'll open git bash. See, we'll create as per this diagram. Okay, first we'll create main branch. Main branch means you can assume main folder, main directory, this one. Okay, after that we'll create this one, directories. Directories means in Windows language we call it as folder, right? After that directory A, in directory A file 1, file 2. So as per this diagram ఈరోజు చూద్దాం. సో నేను ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ అంటే ఫోల్డర్ అనుకోండి. సో విల్ క్రియేట్, ఫర్ దట్ విల్ యూస్ mkdir. So before creating folder we will use mkdir, this command. Okay, mkdir folder. So for our convenience purpose folder 1 అని ఇస్తున్నానండి. folder means okay, we'll create as it is main branch. Okay, see, main branch I have created. So after that main branch created. Okay, so we'll create now in this main branch directory. If you want to switch to main branch directory, we'll use command cd. See, normally in Windows how we will create a new folder, it will go here, right? Or else like this shortcut control shift n, correct, right? So here we have created main branch now. See, మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ అనేది క్రియేట్ అవ్వం, కరెక్టా? మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ అనేది క్రియేట్ అయ్యింది. సో ఇన్సైడ్ దెర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ ఎల్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం క్రియేట్ చేద్దామండి. ఫస్ట్ విల్ స్విచ్ టు మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్. So there is nothing. So here only we are in now. We'll create as per this diagram. Okay, we'll create directory 1, directory 2 now. Okay. So directories means folders in Windows language. In Linux we call it as directory. So for creating directory, what we'll use mkdir. For folder creating purpose we use mkdir. Dir directory means dir means directory, directory 1, after that mkdir directory 2, enter. So directory 1, directory 2 created. సో నా ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి మనం డైరెక్టరీ 1లోకి స్విచ్ అవుదామండి. సో ఫర్ దట్ పర్పస్ if you want to go one step back means we'll use cd space dot. Okay, it will take you back one step back. Okay, see, from main branch to DevOps online training, this is one directory, right? We are here now. So we'll create directory A and directory B. Okay, mkdir directory A. Here only we can give a directory B. Okay, it will create two empty directories, means directory folders. Okay, directory A, directory B also done. Okay, I'm going to main branch now. What now we have directory 1, directory 2. See, directory 1, directory 2. Okay, I'm switching to directory 1. For what purpose? To create directory A. In directory A, I need to create file 1, file 2, right? Directory directory 1 A and directory B. In directory 1 we'll create directory A, mkdir directory A, directory B, correct? Yes. In directory A, file 1, file 2. In directory A, file. For to create files we will use vi. Okay, or else touch also you can use. I am using touch here. Touch file 1, file 2. So directory A, file 1, file 2 created. Now I need to switch back to directory B. Okay, for one step back we'll use cd space dot dot. If you give, it will come to here, directory A and directory B in main branch. So I'm switching to directory B now. Directory B, there is nothing. Now we'll create directory B. We are in now directory B, file 3, file 4 we are creating. For file creating we'll use touch file 3, file 4. Okay, why we are using touch means touch ante just empty file create చేయడానికి. vi అనేది editing purpose కోసం. See, if I give vi for example I am saying F5, see, it will take you to the editor. సో హియర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏం కావాలో అది మ్యాటర్ అనేది, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, నేను ఒకటి కాపీ చేస్తాను, జస్ట్ మ్యాటర్. సో అక్కడికి వచ్చేసి జస్ట్ ఇన్సర్ట్. ఓకే, ఇలాగా ఇది సేవ్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఎస్కేప్కి షిఫ్ట్ కోలన్ WQ S. So see file 5 created. In file 5 what we created, this one, no, this matter. So if you want to see this, that matter, cat, here cat is cat uses is look to show the content, I mean to display the content what we have wrote in the file. So in file 5 what we created, so you will see cat file 5. Here we can see what and all we have written inside the file 5. This one only, no, we have written this, so it will show. For that purpose we'll use cat. Okay, I am deleting this one file, later I'll tell you. For deleting file rm -rf, so it will delete file 5. See here file 5 is not there now, file 5 deleted. So now in directory B what and all we have, in directory B file 3 file 4, here is there no file 3 file 4. So now I'm going to one step back, this one directory 2 I'm going. So one step back means I'll use cd space dot directory 2, right? Yeah, directory 2. Okay, here directory 2 is there, no? So for switching to directory we will use cd command. Okay, cd directory 2. Okay. Here nothing is there, we need to create this one, directory C and directory D. Directory C mkdir directory C. Okay. Directory D, C directory C and D. So directory C and directory D are created. So now, so in directory C what and all we have file 5 and file 6. So these files we need to create in directory C. So I'm switching to directory C, right? Here we'll create file 5 file 6. These are empty files, guys. Okay, we are creating empty files just without any matter. For creating file what we will use, touch file 5 file 6 file 6. Okay, so I created file 5 file 6 in directory C. So this part is done, right? So now I'm going back to directory 2 where it is. So for switching one step back means we will give this one, right? If you want to go 2 step back means slash add slash dot dot, it will take you to the 2 steps back. So here we have directory 2. I am moving to directory 2 now. So This is directory D. I'm switching to directory D now, or D, right? See, here nothing is there. We need to create file 7, file 8. Touch file 7, file 8. That's it. So finally done. I have created as per this diagram now. See here. I'm going to main branch now. See, I'm switching to main branch. See, in main branch, what now we have directory 1, directory 2. Here is there no directory 1, directory A, file 1, file 2 should be there. Okay, I'm switching to directory A. See, directory A. There is no there, no? Main branch. See, we have directory A, directory 2, directory 1, directory 1. See, directory 1, directory A, directory B is there, no? Is there. In directory A, file 1, file 2 should be there. Directory A. See, file 1, file 2 is there. So, as this cd directory B. Here, what and all should be there? File 3, file 4. See, file 3, file 4. File 3, file 4. Same as this. See, I am switching to directory 2 for checking purpose whether we have created perfectly or not. Okay. See, directory 2, directory C, this one, directory D is there, right? Directory C, file 5, file 6 should be there in directory C. I am switching to directory C. See, there, right? There. Now, directory D. Here, what should be there? 9, file 7, file 8. This one, this one. Correct, huh? So, this and all time taking process while giving commands manually. It will take time, it will take more time, right? సో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు వచ్చేసి షెల్ స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది ఉందండి. షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అంటే జస్ట్ మనం మాన్యువల్గా రన్ చేసేది. జస్ట్ నేను సింగిల్ కమాండ్లో సింగిల్ స్క్రిప్ట్లో మన కమాండ్స్ అన్నీ ఒకేసారి టైప్ చేసి పెడతామండి. ఇలాగా సేమ్ మనం మాన్యువల్గా టైప్ చేసామే ఇందాక, ఇవన్నీ జస్ట్ సింగిల్ ఫైల్లో స్క్రిప్ట్లో రన్ అయ్యే విధంగా మనం ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్లో జస్ట్ కమాండ్స్ రన్ చేస్తాం. చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాసెస్ చూద్దామండి. ఫస్ట్ మాన్యువల్గా మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, తర్వాత ఈ ప్రాసెస్కి రండి. ఓకేనా? సో షెల్ స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది ఫర్ ఆటోమేషన్ పర్పస్కి యూజ్ చేస్తామండి. సో డిఫాల్ట్గా బిఫోర్ క్రియేటింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ this and all, we need to mention this one hash exclamatory marks /bin/bash. We need to mention before creating anything in this shell script. Okay, I'll show you this one how to do this. See, for example, I'm going back for not disturbing. What we have, I'm removing this directory B, directory A. Okay, For removing, what we have command rm -rf directory A, directory B. So we have removed directory A, directory B in this folder, means in this directory, right? So I'm creating a different folder, I mean directory, for better understanding. Confuse avakandi. Creating a new directory here, mkdir sample script. Okay, I created sample script for automation purpose using shell script. Okay, these files and what and all we did till now, files, folders, I mean directories, we have created manually, right? So in shell scripting, there will be 2 or 3 commands. If you give 3 commands, it will create automatically what and all we did now. So I'll show you now. See, ls means list the files and that's why I confuse avakandi. ls means list all the files what and all we have in this directory, means folder. In the directory what and all we have now, ls. So it will show like this, what and all we created previously. So I'm switching back to this one, switching to sample script directory. Okay, switching, there's nothing else. So now we'll create folder, I mean file. So for that purpose we are using vi. So vi means to create file, vi shell script 1. Okay, dot sh. Sh means shell script, right? We are working in shell script now, that's why we are creating sh. So it will take you to the editor. Once enter into that, we need to type insert tab in keyboard. If you type insert, here it will show you are in insert mode. So it's already there, what and all we practiced previously, one by one command, giving cd for switching directories to create mkdir. We have created no, for that purpose this manual commands and all I'm creating in shell script. Okay, see, automatically it will create branch. See, branches, I mean directories, it will create automatically, and after that it will automatically switch to each and every directory. It will create files, file 1, file 2, file 3 till file 8. After that it will show directory structure has been created. So here I'm changing echo means to show the showing purpose only. This just I mean message, it will show message. For that purpose we will use echo. So you can change as per your directory structure has been created. So that's it. For saving means, for saving purpose, what we will use? Escape key, shift colon wq exclamation. That's it. See, color also has been changed to green color. See here, shell script now we are doing. So now here shell script now. See, if you want to show what inside content and all means, we use cat, right? Cat shell script. So it will show what all we have written inside the script. So now like we need to give permission chmod q7 this one folder name sample script 1 correct sample script dot sh. One second only. Already have here. Connection ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి chmod మనం పర్మిషన్ అనేది ఇవ్వాలండి షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ అవ్వడానికి. దిస్ ఈజ్ 777 means this is read write permissions and execute purpose. So for 3 we are giving permission to this file. Okay, so now I am running this shell script to create automatically. It will create directories, files and all as per this diagram what we previously we have created manually, right, to create this and all. So now till file 5 it will create. See, for that purpose dot slash shell script name. So it will create file 7 file 5. See, created main branch and I'll show now main branch. See, create directory 1 directory 2 created, right, cd directory 1. See, directory A directory B is there, no, directory A directory B, right. So like this within seconds using shell script it will create it like this within seconds, guys. So that purpose shell script will use. చెప్పిందంతా మీకు ఇప్పటివరకు చెప్పిందంతా అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నానండి. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా అండి? ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వీడియో కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నేను వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ప్లస్ మై వెబ్సైట్, ఓకేనండి, వెబ్సైట్ లింక్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తానండి. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ కానీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ అయినా ఓకే. లేదంటే మీరు ఇంకా డౌట్ ఉంటే పర్సనల్గా లింక్డ్ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్ కూడా ఇచ్చానండి ఇక్కడ, జస్ట్ మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఓకేనండి. యా, దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడేస్ సెషన్ అండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ అండి అందరికీ. ఓకే అండి, బాయ్, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.